To get started learning the basics of React development, I created this intermediate Hello React repository and put it on Austin Coding Academy's GitHub profile. It was originally there for last session's JavaScript class, but it'll work just the same for your intents and purposes. What we can do is go and get the URL to the repository, and then in your terminal, make sure that you're in a good workspace, someplace where you keep all your code, hopefully someplace other than your desktop. And so what we're going to do is just git clone and then the URL, let that finish, and then if we cd into that repository, we got some stuff in here. What we got to do first is install dependencies. By now you should probably recall it's just npm install, or if you have yarn installed, you can use that as well. What that's going to do is just go and grab React DOM, a bunch of other stuff that we need to begin developing. And now, once that's all done, you can just run yarn start or npm start, and that will start up a local host for you. Let that finish. Okay, compiled successfully, and as you can see, we now have a React application going. If you have the React DevTools, which I highly recommend you install them if you don't, you can see we have just a basic app component showing up with a little bit of rendered markup down nested within it. So go ahead and grab that repository, and in the next video we'll start just getting our feet wet with some basic fundamentals.